Our journey begins in the orchard, where the fresh apples are ready for harvest. Each apple is inspected for quality, making sure only the best make it to the baskets. Skilled workers carefully pick the apples, ensuring only the ripest are selected.
Make sure these are packed tight before the next layer. Will do. These reds are looking perfect today.
45, 46, 47. That should be enough for this crate.
The crates are loaded onto trucks, heading for the factory where the transformation begins.
We can fit one more layer on the side.
Watch your step coming down.
Got it. This trolley is almost full.
I'll get the next one ready.
The crates are moved inside the factory, where the apples will begin their transformation into delicious pies. The apples are prepared for cleaning, ensuring they are free from dirt and impurities. The apples are now ready for washing, entering the machine where they will be thoroughly cleaned. Powerful water jets spray over the apples, removing any dirt or residue. The apples are submerged in water, bubbling as they get thoroughly washed. As the apples tumble through the washing machine, they are gently cleaned and polished. Workers inspect the apples as they exit the washing machine, ensuring they are clean and ready for sorting.
All right, these are clear. Keep the line moving smoothly now.
The apples continue down the conveyor, moving through the water conveyor for final cleaning.
Check
Any
this one.
defective apples are removed by the worker to ensure only the best are kept for processing.
This one now.
Watch out for the bruised ones over here. Got it. Looks good otherwise.
At the inspection station, each apple is carefully checked for blemishes and
One has a
defects.
small blemish.
A laser detection system is used to identify any internal defects, ensuring only the best apples make it through. The apples are now peeled and cored, ready to be sliced into the perfect filling. The apples are sliced evenly, ensuring the right texture for the pie filling.
Make sure the seals are tight on those boxes.
Yes, I checked the last batch already. Everything seems to be running smoothly. We should be ahead of schedule today.
Sugar is added to the bowl, sweetening the apples for the perfect pie filling. Cinnamon is added, giving the filling its signature warm flavor. A dash of nutmeg is added for a subtle spice that enhances the filling. Lemon juice is added to balance the sweetness and brighten the flavor. Butter is added to create a rich, smooth texture in the filling. The ingredients are stirred together, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. We check the mixture to make sure the ingredients are evenly distributed. Flour is added to the mixer, the base of the dough that will form the crust. Sugar and salt are added to balance the sweetness and enhance the dough. Cold butter is added to the dry mix, creating the flaky texture of the pie crust. The dry ingredients are mixed together to form the base of the dough. Water is added gradually to bring the dough together without overmixing.
The acidity is slightly off. Let's increase the base ingredient slightly. That should balance it.
We monitor the dough to ensure it's the right texture and consistency. The sides of the mixer are scraped to ensure all ingredients are incorporated. We mix until the dough comes together, ready for rolling. The dough is tested for the right texture, ensuring it's smooth and not too sticky. The dough is shaped into a ball, ready for rolling into a crust. We let the dough rest, allowing it to relax for easier handling. The work surface is dusted with flour to prevent the dough from sticking. The dough is rolled out into an even sheet, ready to be formed into pie shells. We check the dough's thickness to ensure it's just right for the pie shells. The dough is cut to the right size for the pie shells. The dough is carefully placed into pie molds, ready for filling. Skilled workers carefully pick the apples, ensuring only the ripest are selected. Press the edges of the crust to seal it tightly, preventing any spillage. Crimp the edges of the pie to create a decorative finish. Cut slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape during baking. Add a few extra chunks of butter on top for a rich, flaky texture. Place the pie in the oven and let the baking magic begin. Adjust the oven temperature for perfect, even baking. Monitor the pie as it bakes, ensuring the crust turns golden brown. Slice the pie into even portions, ready for serving. Place each pie carefully into protective packaging to preserve its freshness. Seal the pie boxes tightly to ensure they stay fresh during delivery. Label each box with fresh press apple pie for easy identification. Load the pies onto the shipping line, ready for dispatch. Secure the pie pallets with shrink wrap to prevent any movement during transit.
We need to prioritize the international shipments on the far right pallet. Keep the boxes steady.
Okay, he's docked. Let's hit the roll up.
Grabbing the jack now.
Watch the tomatoes on the first pallet.
Here is your sweet potato pie, ma'am. Enjoy.
Oh, thank you. It looks wonderful.
You absolutely have to try this. It's the best pie I've ever had.
It really is wonderful. I haven't seen you this happy in ages.